In the world of home remedies, there are dozens of natural cures for just about everything that ails you. However, many of these deceptively ordinary remedies have been around for hundreds, if not thousands of years, and for good reason. Here are 6 of the oldest, time-tested home remedies for common health concerns with scientific backing for exactly why and how they work. Number 1. Chicken broth to cure the common cold. Fats and proteins naturally present in chicken broth nourish your body, providing much-needed calories to counter the loss of appetite that frequently afflicts us when we're sick. The broth is also intensely hydrating, which thins out mucus to relieve congestion, helps the body to regulate temperature, and facilitates the removal of toxins which would otherwise impede the healing process if left to circulate through the bloodstream. Number 2. Use a damp tea bag to pull out a bee sting. The tannins in tea leaves a powerful anti-inflammatory remedy which can help to reduce swelling around a bee sting, thus making the stinger easier to remove. Simply add a damp black tea bag over the bee sting and leave it there until the swelling goes down. Once it does, the stinger will slide out easily. Number 3. Take castor oil to relieve constipation. Castor oil is one of the oldest household staples in the world of home remedies because it's good for so many things. Probably the most famous of these uses is the oil's ability to relieve constipation. Castor oil works by stimulating contractions throughout the small and large intestines and helps to move impacted stool. The oil also prevents intestinal walls from absorbing moisture from and dehydrating fecal matter, one of the primary causes of constipation. For adults, the dosage is 1 to 2 tablespoons taken orally. For children, 1 to 2 teaspoons is recommended. Number 4. Drink willow bark tea for aches and pains. The drinking of willow bark tea for pain is one natural remedy that dates back thousands of years, to the time of Hippocrates. Willow bark tea works due to its high concentration of salicin, which is very similar in chemical composition to the active ingredient in aspirin. As such, willow bark tea may be consumed in place of aspirin or any other over-the-counter painkillers to treat everything from headaches and menstrual cramps to tendinitis and arthritis. Number 5. Drink ginger ale to cure a sick stomach. Ginger root and ginger root extracts contain several natural chemicals which are known to relieve nausea by inhibiting the nervous signals which induce vomiting and by stimulating the muscles responsible for moving materials down through the gastrointestinal tract, thus preventing them from coming back up the esophagus. Number 6. Soak skin in cold milk to heal burns. For instant relief of a burn, try soaking the affected skin in cold milk. The temperature of the liquid will help to stop skin from continuing to burn while simultaneously cooling away the pain. The fats and proteins in milk will also nourish your skin and help speed the healing process. If the burned body part is small enough to fit into a container of cold milk, you can completely submerge it for 15 minutes. Otherwise, try making a poultice by soaking a clean cloth in milk, then apply it to the burn. You can also use cold yogurt for a similar effect if you find milk to be too messy or you don't have any on hand.